parties money to support their election expenses. Now the government isn't giving it. The spending is left to the candidates. So if there is a rich candidate, obviously he will spend more and win the election. If there is a poor candidate, he will not be able to win because of his less less money or influence of money and muscle power. There are two other ways in which political parties can be reformed as well. People can put pressure on political parties. This can be done through petitions, publicity, and agitation. If you remember, Arvind Kejriwal and Anna Hazare sat on agitation in New Delhi to bring the Lokpal bill. Search about it. So from it, you can actually do it. Political parties can improve if those who want to join this can join political parties. If you want to really improve or see the change, then as Gandhi ji says, be the change. So you can join or you have to join a political party to actually make an impact. Now we will take the picture based questions from this chapter because they are important for 1 mark MCQ. Now we'll go with the first one. Now this is the cartoon that you will see in the textbook. Where have all our leaders gone at a time like this? The nation in peril, and our leaders are giving speeches, promises. Here, does the cartoon reflect the data graphic shown on the previous page? You can read about the data. 27% of the Canadians think that the Liberals should be in power. 35% think that the Conservatives deserve a chance. 98% of the Canadians agree that all politicians should be locked in the trunk of a 82 Yugo going over the Niagara Falls. And again, they vote for the people who they dislike. That's the thing. And you can see the puppet. Yeah, you can see one somebody is playing with the people like a puppet. The Berlusconi, who is the prime minister of Italy, is also one of the top businessmen. He's leader of the Forza Italia. So he owns a company, TV channel, most important publishing company, a football club, AC Milan, and a bank. So what does he do? He plays the politicians like puppets. So they are in his hands. Like normally in our country, the opposition says Modi ji is in the hands of Ambani and Adani. Now look at this one party country. This cartoon was drawn during the presidency of George Bush of the Republican Party in the US. The party symbol is elephant. The cartoon seems to suggest that the corporate America controls all major institutions of the country. So it should be called as corporate America because everything is controlled by the corporate people, right? Yeah, studied about this in ninth standard where the McDonald's picture was there in Iraq showing you that the corporates are in politics now. Now, this is obviously I have explained this cartoon. If you have so much money, then why to contest? Again, you can see here attention. Electoral discipline is not our cup of tea. Our politicians are not made for the code of conduct that is brought by the Election Commission. Even though the Election Commission, the ECI, brings stricter rules, but the politicians do not, I repeat again, do not follow it. So that brings us to the end of a wonderful chapter. I hope you have liked this chapter and there are no doubts. If there are doubts, we can discuss that in the webinar. Till that time, it's goodbye from me. Thank you for watching.